Hey, welcome to the channel. Let's solve another easy LeetCode question using C#. So today's problem is problem number 14, longest common prefix. In this problem, you'll be given an array of string and you have to find the longest common prefix among those array of strings. So in this example, in example number 1, we can see that we have an array of string that contains 3 strings in it. The first string is flower, second string is flow, and third string is flight. And the longest common substring is FL because the third string doesn't have O in it, otherwise it would have been FLO, flow. In example number 2, we have dog, race car, and car. In this example, we don't have any matching element between all 3 strings, then we're gonna return a empty string. So that's enough of explanation. Let's write the program. Okay, so before we write the program, let's do a null check for the input element. We can do this by calling str's equals to null or the input string array dot length equals to 0. If that's the case, we're going to return an empty string right here and finish the program. Now let's assume the first element of that array to be the longest common substring for now, and we can call it prefix and use it with the strings at 0. And then we're gonna run a simple for loop that's gonna start with 1 because we are already using 0 and there's no point of matching first element to the first element, right? So we're gonna start with the next element, that's by 1. Then we're gonna loop it till its length, and so once we are in it, here we can say that we are in this. We got the second element, that is the flow. Now while we're gonna use a simple string method called index of. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say strs of I dot index of prefix is not equal to 0. We can do our thing. So basically index of will return the index of string when you find this element. Basically the prefix is for now flower. So if we find flower in the flow, then it's gonna return 0. In this case, we are pretty much sure that it's not gonna return 0, so we're gonna do a simple check over here and reduce the size of prefix. We can say like prefix equals to prefix dot substring. We're gonna reduce the size. That's gonna start from the first element and then to the length -1. So now we can say that flower has changed to flower. So it's gonna run again and again till it finds FLO. Then this program gonna end and it's gonna go to our second string, that is flight, and it's gonna loop through again and again until it's end. It will probably stop at FLI. So there could be a case that this prefix runs out because there's no matching element. So in that case, we're going to simply end the program by if prefix is empty, then we're going to end the program and call it return empty. If we pass through all the loop and the for loop, then the program is complete. We can simply return prefix and finish the program. So if I have written everything correctly, this program should work. Okay, a string doesn't contain the definition index of. Okay, here you go, sir. There you go. Here is your answer. So we have solved another easy LeetCode question using C#. Hope you have find the video useful. If you like this video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see me solve another programs in coming videos. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.